Okay, now what we find with stromatolites is a variety of shapes, and depending where we are on this sloping tidal surface, we'll have one form or another, or mixtures. There are a whole lot of possibilities. There are in Shark Bay vast areas, and we have little examples right in front of us here where there's a smooth, flat area covered by microbes, and this can be half a kilometre wide. And these are flat mats, if you like, flat sheets or mats. And that's one form of stromatolite. The most common forms, though, that people recognise are the head structures. I'm standing on a head structure here. There's one right next to me here, and another one over here. And these heads maybe are about half a metre high, a metre across perhaps, and they take on a variety of shapes. They can be rounded forms or elongate forms. The type of waves can control this versus the type of tidal flow. If we have relatively strong waves, the rounded forms tend to be dominant. If we have strong tidal flow back and forth, the heads tend to respond to that by becoming elongated. There are other forms which are nice, neat columns, and there are other forms which are club shaped with a narrow base and a very broad top, and a little bit eroded around the bottom. So there's a whole variety of shapes available. There are many processes involved. There are physical processes which can change them, like the tidal flow. There are the microbial building processes which can change them, and the relative importance of the area of growth. And the area of growth can change as the preference for water level or wetness changes, and the mats will cause expansion if that's the case, and so that the head will become wider and the growth will be more rapid in those zones.